Hi, I'm Ryan from Respiray and this is Respiray Wear A Plus tutorial. So, once you have received the device, you can see that you have the main unit and the straps. So, first thing, connect the two straps into one. So, what you do here is you just push through with your thumbs like this, turn it over, and you can see that one side has the logo, the other doesn't. So the side with the logo goes on the left side of the device with the magnets, just like that. And the other side has two holes here. You insert the strap into the holes by pushing with your thumbs. Now, once the device has the strap, it's ready to be used. You can see that the device has just one button. If you long press the button for 2 seconds, you turn on the device. If you click on the button while the device is working, you switch to the second mode, the turbo mode. We recommend using the turbo mode when you're moving around or have direct contact with your allergies. If you press the button once again, you go to the normal mode. And if you long press the button again for 2 seconds, you turn it off. Now, how we recommend using the device is use the side that has the logo. It has the magnets. You just open it like this, put it around your neck, and let the magnets close. Now, it's important that you wear the device in the right position. So, it cannot be too loose or under your chin. So, if you need to adjust the strap, open it from here, make it bigger or smaller according to your size, and with your fingers push the strap into the holes, just like this.